After the treatment, I feel so good, my body is light, and also my mind is clearer, is softer. Hello everyone, I'm Nazareno. I came from Argentina. I am the Sri Sri Ayurveda Hospital. I just finished my treatment in Panchakarma center. I made two kinds of massage for my body, my whole body, and now I'm feeling so good. I had so much tension accumulated in my body, and now after the treatment, I feel so good. My body is light, and also my mind is clearer, is softer. So I have to say thanks to the hospital, to my therapist, because for that opportunity is amazing, and also recommend it for everyone to come to the hospital for make the treatment. Jai Gurudev.